What's up everyone, this is Andre from the Localization Academy. We are back with new Localization Basics. In this one I'm going to attempt to explain to you what G11 aka Globalization means and how is it related to localization. I would think about globalization as a state of the world that we are in right now. And to explain that a little bit deeper, let me draw a map. What globalization means to me, again, it's a state of the world without borders. So what it means is that you have a company here, the beautiful United States, and some smart people in the United States that have some idea about a product, they design it, but they actually don't create it in the United States. They actually work with companies or they have a subsidiary in, let's say, China, and they have their product created in China because of the lower costs or maybe because the people there are specialized. But when it comes to the actual parts of creating something like, let's say, iPhone, maybe the parts are coming from, again, different parts of the world and they get assembled in China. And then once the product is created in China, from China it travels again to all parts of the world where people actually buy it and start using it, okay? So this, basically the world without any borders, is what I consider globalization. How is this related to localization? It's basically that you can have just one idea, create something in one language, and then because we live in the globalized world where one company from any country can pretty much talk to customers and start selling their products or services to anyone around the world. This is where localization increases the adoption of your product or your service because people actually understand it, okay? Globalization is not only, in my opinion, about products and services, it's also about talent. These days, instead of just looking for people who are smart and talented in your city or in your country, you can pretty much tap to talented people all around the world. So that again is related to globalization as well, in my opinion, that we live in sort of this one big global country, one big world, where it's easy for us to connect with people and do business with people from all around the world without being constrained by the borders. Globalization.